a heavy, almost grieving heart that I address this Jordan Fletcher issue this evening. The young baller who is now dropped from the latest national training squad after it was revealed last week that he was struggling with the work and could not manage the training sessions. And straight up, we cannot fault Coach Tapper Whitmore to cut Fletcher from the squad if he cannot keep up with the training. It is up to Jordan Fletcher to realize that the coach or the Maverick or the public cannot want success for you, baller. You have to want it for yourself. We cannot have the hunger and the passion and the desire and the motivation for you. We can only analyze and suggest and recommend and beat up with gum. It is you as the baller who have to put in the work. How you must be a baller and unfit. That coming like a captain don't have a hammer. You must understand and appreciate, baller, that the level of fitness required to play D Cup and Flow Cup is foolishness compared to what is needed for the Premier League and the national team. For sure you can impress all of us with your schoolboy skills and your ability, but you cannot come to senior football with schoolboy attitude and schoolboy mentality. It cannot work, baller. The pie out there for you get your piece, but nobody now carry it come give you. You have to go for it for yourself. I say it already, and I'm going to say it again. You can carry the donkey to the water. And don't talk. And don't talk. Don't talk. Don't talk.